Today's episode is part of our growth marketing series, and the topic is sales enablement. We're going to discuss how to make your prospects buy. Now, I'm not talking about manipulating or strong-arming people into decisions that they're not ready to make. Instead, I'm going to share some proven strategies and processes that empower your prospects to choose you because you've done the work to understand them, their needs, and how you can solve their problems. Sales isn't just about being charismatic or having the gift of gab. It's about preparation, process, and follow-through. Over the years, I've had countless conversations with sales executives and industry colleagues, and we've identified some common gaps in sales workflows: CRM management, client outreach, prospecting, deal processes, and cross-team collaboration. These gaps often prevent businesses from closing deals and driving revenue growth. So today, I'm going to walk you through some best practices to address these challenges and streamline your sales process. Let's get started. First up, CRM, your sales foundation. If your CRM isn't working for you, it's working against you. This tool should be the central hub of your sales efforts, keeping your team aligned and your process efficient. But the key to a successful CRM isn't just having one, it's setting it up properly. Here's what we recommend. Map out fields like lead source, deal stages, and closing dates. Consistency here makes reporting and strategy a breeze. Train your team on how to use the CRM effectively. Everyone should know when to create a lead, update the deal, or move prospects through the pipeline. When your CRM is clean and user-friendly, it empowers your team to spend less time on administrative tasks and more time selling. Now, let's talk about an often overlooked goldmine, your current clients. These are the people who already trust you, value your services, and are likely to buy more or refer others to you. By keeping that relationship warm takes effort. Something as simple as a handwritten thank you note, a birthday card, or a quick check-in email can go a long way. When was the last time you asked your existing clients for referrals or conducted a satisfaction survey? The bottom line is this: don't let those relationships stagnate. Show the clients that you value them, and they'll continue to be your biggest advocates. Now, let's tackle something that makes even the best salespeople cringe: cold prospecting. It's easy to get complacent and focus on existing business, but if you're not hunting, you're not growing. To succeed here, you need a strategy. Before reaching out, do your research. Gather all of the contact information and insights that you can about the decision maker, and then document it in your CRM. Then follow a structured outreach cadence. For example, day 1, connect with them on LinkedIn with a personalized message. Day 3, send an email or a handwritten note. Day 7, follow up with a Loom video. Days 10 through 28, follow up with a combination of 2 to 4 emails and phone calls and keep them in your nurturing campaign efforts. This approach keeps your outreach targeted and persistent without feeling pushy. And trust me, it works. Now, let's talk about the power of preparation, a strategic account plan. I want to share a quick story that transformed the way that I approach sales. Years ago, I met with a potential client who only gave me 20 minutes of his time. To make the most of it, I did my homework. I researched his bio, cases, and pain points. When I walked into his office, I laid my watch on the table and I said, "You've given me 20 minutes, so let's make it count. Here's what I know about you, your needs, and how I think I can help. Let me know if I've missed anything." That 20-minute meeting turned into an hour, and by the end of it, I had his business. Why? Because I showed him I cared enough to prepare. This is where a strategic account plan comes in. An SAP includes everything you need to know about a prospect: their budget, challenges, goals, and competitors. By aligning your solutions with their pain points, you position yourself as a trusted partner, not just another salesperson. And finally, sales is not a solo act. To truly drive growth, you need to break down silos and get your marketing and client success teams involved. Bring marketing into sales calls and demos. Have client success reps upsell products or services during routine check-ins. When everyone understands the bigger picture, the results are exponential. So if you want to make prospects buy, you need to prepare, follow a process, and leverage the tools and the people around you. Focus on your CRM setup. Nurture your existing clients. Tackle cold prospecting with a plan. Create detailed SAPs, and foster collaboration across your teams. These strategies aren't just theories, they work. Until next time, keep refining your process, stay focused on your goals, and never stop learning.